How to fix cannot complete the archive extraction wizard in Windows. If you're facing this issue, then in this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First of all, you want to open up any web browser. Now search 7-zip, then click on the download option. Now from here, you want to simply download the file. Now for system, choose between 64-bit or 32-bit. If you want to check which one is your device, then you can simply click on the search bar and search system information. From here, you can get that info. Now if it is 64-bit, go ahead and click on the download option. Once it has been downloaded, you want to open the file. Now right click and click on run as administrator, then click on the install option. Once it has been installed, you simply want to locate the file that you want to extract, then right click on that. Now you want to find the 7-zip option. Simply extract it from here and you will no longer get that error. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.